Holi Hai by Chitra Sundar, illustrated by Darshika Verma. The moon was round and almost full. Two more sleeps to Holi, said Gauri. 1 and 2, counted Anish. They're about to sleep. The next morning, Grandma held out a bowl full of colored paper. Gather around, let's pick gulal to make. What is gulal, Grandma? Asked Gauri. All the colors we will splash and smear on Holi Day, Grandma replied, to celebrate spring. We're going to make them from nature, said Dad. From leaves, spices and flowers, finished Anish. Wow! So she's got the colored paper and they're gonna choose. Everyone closed their eyes and pulled out a colored paper from the bowl. Dad had blue, Mom grabbed green, Grandma picked saffron orange, Grandpa had purple, Anish got yellow, Gauri got upset. I didn't get my favorite color, she yelled, scrunching the paper in her fist. I don't want red, I want yellow. Gauri, all the colors are part of spring, said Mom. We keep the colors we picked. Everyone got busy making gulal except Gauri. Dad boiled cabbage leaves to make blue. Want to give me a hand? He asked. Gauri shook her head. No, she shouted. Mom spread mint and spinach leaves on the floor to dry. I'll grind them up to make green, she said. Would you like to help? But Gauri didn't help Mom either. Where's she going? Yellow, shouted Anish with turmeric. Look! Grandma rubbed sandalwood on a stone to get saffron orange. It smells nice, she said. Looks like the sandalwood makes orange and it smells nice too. Grandpa crushed beetroot into a bucket of water. This will make a nice purple, he said, but Gauri didn't join in. That night, Dad started a bonfire. Grandpa told them one of the legends of Holi. Holika was an evil demoness, but her nephew Prahlada wasn't evil. He loved everyone and didn't want to harm anyone. This angered Holika, and she decided to teach Prahlada a lesson. Holika started a blazing fire. I'm so evil that the fire can't burn me, she gloated, extending her arm. Come on, nephew, let's see if your love can save you from the fire's blaze. Was Prahlada scared? Asked Anish. Prahlada wasn't scared, said Grandpa. He wasn't even angry. He knew that love was stronger than his aunt's anger. Prahlada stepped into the fire with Holika. Oh no, said Gauri. Don't worry, said Grandpa. A few minutes later, Prahlada walked out of the fire alone and unharmed. He had shown everyone that love was stronger than evil. He just walked out the fire alone. See, nothing happened to him. That's good. The fire is like the anger in Holika's heart, said Grandma. Anger didn't bring her joy. But when we celebrate Holi tomorrow, we will have love in our hearts for everyone, said Mom, just like Prahlada did. Gauri thought about the anger in her heart. Could she let it go and be more like Prahlada? She's thinking, could she be better? Could she be less angry? Could she not be angry? Let's see. Coral red blooms gently flew away from the tree. The petals reminded Gauri of all the red things she liked. Apples, sunsets, the ruby in her favorite necklace. That gave Gauri an idea. Oh, she's wearing the ruby. That evening, while everyone was busy, Gauri gathered the coral red petals and spread them on a sheet of newspaper. Remember the coral red petals we saw on those other pages? From that tree, she's gonna grind them to make red gulal. Then she rolled Grandma's stone pestle over them, crushing the petals into powder. The next morning, "Red!" cried Anish, "Gauri's gulal!" Grandma pulled Gauri into a hug. "Red is the color of love," she said. "And apples and rubies and sunsets," said Gauri. "And anger too. I'm sorry I got upset. I forgive your anger with my calming saffron," said Grandma, spreading sandalwood paste on Gauri's sticks. They're gonna celebrate Holi by squirting the powder and the water on everyone. In the garden, they sprayed and splashed colors at one another: yellow, orange, blue, purple, green, and red. Then they drank cold thandai to quench their thirst. When it was time for lunch, a feast was spread on the table: parathas, pulao rice, golgappas, and dahi ballas. Grandma handed out the sweet gunjias she had made. "Today is the first day of spring," said Grandpa. "Time for new beginnings." "Today is the day of love," said Grandma. "All fights are forgotten." "Holi Hai!" called Gauri. "Holi Hai!" wished everyone. Remember, she said the red is the color of love? They're sitting under the red coral tree. The end.